Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to block internet access for specific apps in Windows 11. I'll use Firefox as an example, but this works for any app. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get started. Click on the Start menu and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Open it, then look to the left and click Advanced Settings. In the new window, click Outbound Rules on the left. On the right side, click New Rule, select Program, and hit Next. And for now, I will test for you how the internet is not blocked for now with Firefox. Go back to your desktop, click with Right on Firefox app, choose Open File Location, and then click right on firefox.exe and click on Copy as Path. Go back to Choose this program path and copy-paste with Ctrl+V or right-click there. And click on Paste and don't forget to remove quotation and then click on Next. Select Block the Connection and hit Next. Make sure Domain, Private, and Public are all checked. Click Next, then give your rule a name like Block Firefox Internet or anything you want to call, click Finish. That's it. Firefox, or whatever app you chose, can no longer access the internet. To reverse it, just right-click the rule in Outbound Rules and choose Delete or Disable. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and comment what app you blocked. See you in the next tutorial.